Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I share with you all how I prepare this pepper gizzard. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I will start by adding already washed gizzard into the pan. I have a video on how I clean this gizzard. The link will be up here. If you're interested, you can check it out. I added some green seasoning. In that green seasoning, I have a whole lot of spices. The video is coming up very soon. I had salt and seasoning powder, and I go ahead and just give it a quick stir, and I noticed that it's frozen, so I was not able to stir it very well. I'll just cover the pan and allow to cook a little bit and come back to stir it. While it's cooking, I'll go ahead and prep the pepper. Here I have some bell pepper, aka tatashe, the yellow and the red one. I have my favorite chili pepper, the hydrated one, and I have some onion. I'll just go ahead and blend it roughly. Back to the pot, I will quickly stir everything together, cover the pot and allow all the water to dry out. I want all the water to be very dry. I don't want any water inside this gizzard, alright? At this stage, all the water has dried out. I go in with the vegetable oil and I'm going to stir everything together quickly. Cover the pot and allow to fry on a low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. I don't want to deep fry the gizzard, alright? That is why I'm making use of this method. If you like to deep fry the gizzard, just go ahead and deep fry it, alright? But I don't want to deep fry. That is why I make use of this method. I added the pepper mix and I give it a quick stir, and I'm going to go ahead and cover the pot and just allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on a low heat, and I'll be right back. This is about 10 minutes later, and while it's cooking, I am stirring it, alright, so it doesn't burn. I stir everything together once again and I tasted for seasoning. I needed to adjust my seasoning. I just add some salt to taste, some seasoning powder, stir everything together once again, cover the pot and allow to cook until it's completely done. And at this stage, our sauce is ready. You guys, look at that. This looks so good, guys, and it tastes absolutely delicious. And the method is so easy to follow. I give it a final good stir, and that is it, guys. To finish it up, I garnish it with some spring onion, and that is it, guys. I hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.